In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your eToro account. To get started, sign into your eToro account as you normally would. Make sure you're logging into the correct account before moving forward, since this process is tied directly to your account settings. Once you're in, take a moment to make sure the page has fully loaded so you can easily access all the options you need. Next, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This is where eToro keeps the main controls for your profile and account preferences. If you don't immediately see everything at first glance, just give yourself a second to scan the menu carefully. After that, go into the Account section. This area contains the more important account-related options, including the one used to begin the closure process. Once you're there, scroll down toward the bottom of the page. Near the lower part of the screen, you'll find the option that says, Close your eToro account. Click that to move forward. At this stage, eToro will ask you for some information about why you're leaving. First, select the category that best matches your reason for closing the account. After choosing the category, you'll then need to pick a more specific reason from the available options. Once you've selected the reason that fits best, click Continue. You'll now be taken to a confirmation screen. This page is important because it gives you a final chance to review the information before your request is submitted. Read through the details carefully so you understand what happens next. If you're sure you want to proceed, select Yes, and I still want to close account. Then click Continue to move on to the next step. From there, simply follow the remaining prompts on screen to complete your account closure request. The exact prompts may vary slightly, but the process is usually straightforward as long as you continue reading each page carefully and confirming the requested information. As a general tip, before closing your account, it's a good idea to make sure you've reviewed anything important connected to it, since closing an account can affect your future access. Taking a moment to double-check everything can help avoid confusion later. And that's it. Once you complete the final prompts, your eToro account closure request will be submitted. Thanks for watching.